Hi, this is Steve, and I want to show you my 8 Sleep system, Pod 3, that I'm having a major issue with. And so, first of all, I'm going to show you that this is the 8 Sleep Pod 3, and you can see the pod right there. And so this was purchased brand new in the box, never used. And I hooked it up, and within 6 months, this thing failed. And so on the app itself, I had it heating on my side and cooling on the other side. And then one day, it just stopped working. Now, the pod system the light was working, and you could hear noise, but there was no water circulation from the water source into the mattress system. So this is large because it's a king size. You actually have a split area that you can have heat on one side and cool on the other, which is exactly what I had. And so after about 6 months, it stopped working. And so I contacted 8 Sleep and spoke with the gentleman there and said, hey, I bought this thing brand new, never hooked up, never connected yet. And actually they could tell that because when you have an 8 Sleep account, you set it up with them. And I think I paid for a 2-year account, if I'm not mistaken. And they can track your sleep cycles from there. And so when you contact them to set up the account, they ask for the serial number, and they can see exactly through your account which 8 Sleep system that you're using. And they came back to me and said 6 months later that, they thought that it was a stolen item. But if it was, why would they allow me to set up an account and pay hundreds of dollars to have that account? And on top of that, I also bought this is the mattress pad that they sell that you can use on the 8 Sleep, and it's a thin sheet here. So the temperature that you set up your mattress pad with, the temperature will control through that system. I bought this separately, directly from 8 Sleep, and after I set up my account, and nothing. And so I'm in the construction business, and I can kind of narrow down. I don't think it's the mattress pad itself. I think it's the pump system that's in the pod, because you can hear it running, but there's no water circulating through. If it was a clog in the hoses, it would clog one side or the other, but not both at the same time. That makes no sense whatsoever. So I'm thinking that it's probably the seals inside the pod that isn't working. But for it to work for 6 months and then fail, and then 8 Sleep say, we can't do anything about it because, it's not in our system. It was stolen. It was stolen. It's like, no, it's not. How is that even possible? But they were unwilling to change this out. So if you're thinking about 8 Sleep system, when it worked, it was fantastic. But if you're thinking about buying one, I'm going to say just watch out because, a couple $1,000s and 6 months later, you might have something that you're going to have to throw into the trash. So forewarning, you're looking at using 8 Sleep, you're warned. Okay? Hope this helps out some folks. All right, take care.